Mr. Speaker, our rules do not allow for strangers to come into the chamber. You suspended the House for 5 minutes. And our colleagues allowed their national chairman to enter the chamber to take pictures and as part of his campaign courting the support of NDC MPs. The national chairman of the NDC, who has declared his intention to succeed President Mahama, has entered the chamber. Mr. Speaker, 60 NDC MPs have taken pictures with him, declaring they are 80. Mr. Speaker, I'm told 20 more join to make it 80. Mr. Speaker, I want the chairman to know that the 80 is not enough. He should get more to make him the preferred candidate. But Mr. Speaker, just to conclude, I want to know whether the rules allow flag bearer hopefuls to enter the chamber. Mr. Speaker, if it is allowed, then in MPP we have quite a number. We would let them also come here and take pictures. Mr. Speaker, rule on this matter for me.
But Majority Leader, do you have something to say?
The only person who was a witness to this matter was Honorable Kwame Eche Roxon Nelson, the Fiamapo. He is the only one who saw it. As for Majority Leader, he was nowhere near. I don't want you to call him as a witness.
No, but the point is, it's not a question of who saw those who took the pictures, but you are raising issue as to whether it is allowed. So that's why I'm inviting his.
Mr. Speaker, the chairman of the National Democratic Congress was in this house for, I think, 5 terms. 5 terms. 5 terms. 5 terms. Each term was 4 years. So, by my basic mathematics, 3 or 4. 3 terms. He did 3 terms. He did 3 terms.
About.
Mr. Speaker.
About.
No, Mr. Speaker. It's okay. Mr. Speaker. I think that I think later on we'll take steps to verify whether it was 4 or 3. We'll take steps to verify.
But again, he has been
in this house,
a board, parliamentary service board,
and he
member.
was a chairman of the board of the parliamentary service at the time when you also served as a member of that board, an ex-official member of that board.
He was the HR committee board.
And he was the
chair.
HR committee who employed and interviewed the promotion of many of your clerks. By virtue of that, he is entitled once in a while to pass by and see if everything is okay in the chamber.
Including facilities.
Whether the facilities that he facilitated the procurement of are working well for us. Mr. Speaker, and of course, being the charismatic leader that he is, being the charismatic chairman that he is, all the MPs are excited to see him. Mr. Speaker, I was not in the chamber. I was in the clerk at table's lobby. And you know there's a television there that captures what is happening in the chamber. I saw MPP members of parliament struggling to take photographs with him. I saw it with my naked eyes. With my naked eyes. I saw it. Mr. Speaker, I saw it. I saw it. And Mr. Speaker, before he entered the chamber, the leader himself rushed to receive him. I was there. when the leader received him, hugged him,
welcome him.
and welcomed him to the chamber. I was there, Mr. Speaker. I was there. But you see, this is a leader who wants to take the benefit and leave his backbenchers. So when his backbenchers sees the opportunity to also have photographs with the national chairman of the NDC, he's aggrieved. But Mr. Speaker, I think that the chairman is here. Normally we invite him, he sits in the chamber to witness proceedings. On ceremonial occasions we invite him, he's allowed to enter the chamber. The chairman of the NPP is also allowed. They come, they say, even the general secretary and national executives of the NPP also come, and they're allowed to come into the chamber. So I don't think that there's a problem with that.